I'll show you how to remove Amazon fakes using a design or utility patent. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'll give you a pro tip on finding an attorney for cheap in the United States. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to make you a millionaire on Amazon. Let's dive in. So here is the real item. This is the real item we're looking at. So this is an authentic item. And then we found a fake item that is violating this client's patent. So this is the fake, this one's the real, right? And we want to get this one removed because it's violating our patent. So what we want to do is look, is it designed to patent or is it a utility patent? If it has a D in it, it's a design patent. So we're looking at our design patent and see if we want to do that. Or we can look at our utility to patent and see if it's violating our utility patent. If it's violating both, then we can report them for both. But pretty much the design patent is going to be the easiest because you can just simply look at the item and be like, oh, it's completely violating it. The utility patent is a little bit harder to get Amazon to approve. But we're going to go through both of them. And one of the easiest ways to get started with this is to go into your Amazon Seller Central account. You're going to click Report Abuse of Amazon's Policies. And then we're simply going to click Intellectual Property and see you can report a violation for a patent right here. Click Public Notice Form. And now you can report them right here. Just make sure you make it idiot proof. And what I mean by that is don't think that these people that's going to be reviewing this are attorneys. You want to make it so easy for Amazon to understand, just like this image that we did. So what we did for this item is we actually did a test buy. So you can actually purchase this item, you do a test buy, you take photos of it, and then you do a screenshot of your actual design patent, and then you're going to put it side by side. You're going to put like our real item, you put the patent here, and then you put the fake item right here. So you do a side by side. That way you make it idiot proof so they approve it. If you don't make it idiot proof, I can promise you they will not approve your request, right? So do that extra due diligence to make it as easy as possible for Amazon to approve it, and make sure everything you explain to Amazon is in layman's terms. You don't want to, be sending tons of paragraphs and stuff. Keep it short and sweet. Now, if this doesn't work, what you're going to want to do is go to brandregistry.amazon.com and do the same exact thing. Now I'm going to show you how to do a design patent and a utility patent infringement on this part. So you're going to do to protect and then report a violation. Make sure you go to brandregistry.amazon.com and enroll in this if you're not. So that way you can actually report a violation. You're going to put in the actual ASIN of the item. So the ASIN usually starts with B as in boy. And then you're going to put it right into here, click search, click this button, and you can remove the entire listing from Amazon forever. So you're going to click report, and now we're going to do patent infringement, okay? Now you can do design patent or utility patent. Remember, design patent is a lot easier to get approved. So you can do the brand name, and then you have the patent number, you put that in, and you provide more information to Amazon right here. Notice that they're not letting us submit pictures. So this item, we can't really submit it unless it's like on our website. We can put it into there. But you're going to put all that information in and click submit. If it's not approved, then there's two things you need to do. You need to go back to support, contact brand support right here, and then you can escalate it. So escalate a previously submitted issue if it's not approved, and describe your issue right here, and then you can add photos. That's when you add the idiot proof photos to Amazon. So that's number one. Number two is to do a test buy. So exactly what I said, you purchase the product, right? You wait for it to be delivered, and you also tell Amazon, hey, I purchased this item, here's my order ID, like it is violating my design patent. That's going to help. Now for utility patent, it's a little bit harder. You're going to go here and you're going to click utility patent. You're going to put that in here. Now you're going to click none of these, learn about applying for Amazon Apex. So this is something completely different. You're going to click yes. And now you're going to provide Amazon with all this information and then submit it into Apex. Now, Apex is a little bit different. So the design patent, somebody at Amazon just reviews it and approves it and then removes the fake. For the utility patent, Amazon understands that their workers are not very experienced in utility patents. So what they do is for the utility patent, Amazon obtains a neutral evaluation. So they pretty much, Amazon has a mediator that's an actual attorney in the US that's going to review it and approve or deny your request. So what happens when we do this, the Apex, is it's very complicated. So the utility patents are more complicated because what Amazon wants you to do is you apply for the Apex program. I literally just showed you how to apply. This is applying for the Apex program. Once you apply for the Apex program, someone's going to reach out to you, right? And they're going to say, you need to deposit $4,000, okay? So you deposit $4,000 into Amazon's escrow, all right? Then they're going to reach out to this seller and they're going to say, hey, you have to go into Apex. Give us $4,000. So then they have to give Amazon $4,000. If they do not give Amazon $4,000, they automatically get their listing removed and they're kicked off of Amazon, okay? If they do give Amazon $4,000, then the mediator comes in and says, hey, we're going to get started, and they're going to ask you to prove, you're going to have to write out and prove to this mediator, this attorney, why they are violating your utility patent and more information on how they're violating it, right? Then they're going to have to defend it. This one person's going to have to defend it and say why they're not violating their utility patent. Then they're going to come to a conclusion and say who the winner is and who the loser is. If you win, you get all of your money back, your $4,000 back, and they get kicked off of Amazon. If you lose your $4,000 and they stay on Amazon, okay? So that's pretty much the whole process for the utility patents. It is a little tedious and it takes around 8 weeks for this all to go down, which isn't too long, but you know, compared to the design patent and stuff like that, it takes a little bit longer. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. I'll give you a pro tip to find an attorney for cheap in the United States. So all you have to do is go to Fiverr.com, and I want you to hear me out on this. This is something that people don't know. You're just gonna type in patent, right? Because when you're doing Apex, maybe you need a patent attorney to help you. So you're gonna go to seller details. You're gonna scroll down and make sure they speak English and they live in the United States. This is key, because now we have extra patent attorneys that just wanna make a couple extra bucks, and they're gonna show up here. So we can see, I'll be your licensed UK and US Canada trademark registration. This is trademark. This is potentially a patent attorney, so we can open this one up. We can also open up this guy. And we can open up another one, Josh Stein. So now we can see that they're from the United States, they speak English, and we can see they are a US trademark specialist. So they specialize in trademarks, not patents. So I'm gonna move on to the next one. So they are another trademark registration expert. Let's move on to the next one. So now this one looks like it is a patent application expert. So this guy can probably help you, and he is charging flat rate fees and a 15-minute consultation, summary report, competition report, and what you can do is contact him officially and have him send you an offer via Fiverr. So that way you don't have to pay him hourly. You have a flat rate fee for him to help you dispute things on Amazon and go through this process, right? This is where you can find other attorneys or newer attorneys that are patented and experienced, and they are an attorney and they're from the United States for a very good price, especially a flat rate price, because most of the time they're going to charge you hourly, and Fiverr is the best way. And if they try to scam you, since it's on Fiverr, you can get your money back pretty quickly. So it's definitely a great option. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on what you learned in today's video. And if you did learn something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in the description to contact us. Also, our number one service is our full Amazon A to Z account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, we'll monitor listings, we'll do Apex, design patent, copyright, trademark infringement for you. We'll be the ones that are following up with Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, calling Amazon, monitoring your listings, and stuff like that. Save money, time, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.